Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Flipkart account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Flipkart account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Flipkart login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on first link shown on the page. It will take you to the official page of Flipkart. Tap on login option on the top right corner of the screen. Enter your phone number. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter a verification code sent to your number and click on verify. It will log you into your Flipkart account in no time. This is how you can log into your Flipkart account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.